Hey, what's going on, guys? Red Machine back in the video. I haven't done a box break in a few weeks. I got myself a blaster box of 2022 opening day baseball. Topps opening day baseball blaster box. And this year, actually, just hold it real quick. This year, they feel like they're like really heavy boxes. There's like 22 packs altogether. Really interesting. 2019, I'm both in baggage of this stuff, kind of like the same caliber, but blaster boxes are 22 packs. If I remember in the past, I think there were maybe like 12 packs, if I remember correctly, but never 22. But I believe these are $20 now. Yeah, $20 for a blaster. It used to be 10. So there's like a 220 card base set. Let's go ahead and open this up, and maybe here soon, guys, I might open a blaster of 2021 Big League, because I saw that stuff coming out, and I saw that stuff looks nice. Mike, I saw you open a hobby box of that stuff, and I see that stuff on like eBay, like hobby boxes, collector boxes, blaster boxes are all pretty cheap right now on eBay, so I might get one, maybe with some 2021, 22, Peepchi hockey. Which I am kind of pissed right now, because my Caps lost. I do like the Hawks too, but I like the Caps right now. And, yeah, they lost. So, kind of try to get over that. I had a good year, but goddamn it, Florida. Alright, let's open this up, shall we? 2 minutes of talking. Curtis Hendricks, for watching this, man. See any Buster Pose, if I do pull any Giants cards overall, but I don't know if there's any Buster Poses in here, but see any Giants cards you want, let me know. Send your way. All those packs. That is a lot, man. They're all really thin packs, too. That's gonna be the fun part. Let's open all of these. Dude, look at that. I love it, man. It's awesome. Opening day's always been a fun set to open. Nice looking cards. Not really big, too big value unless you get like a Mike Trout autograph, but nice cards. So let's open this up, shall we? Trying to get used to my setup here again. So got myself a Lean Hendricks. Tatis Jr. Hopefully he comes back soon. Shane Justin Bieber. What's this card? Opening day, Detroit Tigers. Got an insert right there. I'm going to try to complete the base set, and there goes the camera. It needs to hold on these little center. Alright, that's better. We got a Love. And that's better for the video for me. J.P. Crawford. And Luis Garcia. So on every pack, it looks like you get like an insert or two. After this, I'm going to get some food. Just grab out some food. It was my step dad, actually. Cheeseburgers, brats, hot dogs, pork chop sandwiches, pretty good stuff. Look at the checklist. There's some nice cards. Look at the Irish cards. Mementos, inserts. We got Mrs. Smith. That's a new insert card I've never seen. And those are inserts. A long time ago, I thought they were always base cards. I don't know why. We got a Future Stars, Jake Cronenworth, He's on my Damm Dynasty team for MLB The Show 22. There's a Kershaw. Jose Ramirez. Yeah, if you guys want to see a hobby of this stuff, let me know. Got Arenado on the Cardinals. Hoy Park at Wrigley. We got a Bowman squad, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. I figured I was going to get a card like this when I saw the inserts. I figured hopefully I get his card, and I actually did. It's a nice card. I believe there's like 20 cards in this set. Maybe I might try to go for the master set. Who knows? That's one set I've always wanted to do. Go for a master set of something. Besides one of ones, of course. That's going to be a hard set. Oh, Kurt Hendricks. I guess I was on there as Buster Posey. If you want it, let me know. I'll send it your way. Chris Sale. When I was playing MLB The Show 22, my MLB debut, I'm playing for the Rays. I took on Chris Sale. Got a home run against him over the Green Monster. That was a really good moment for the channel right there. Stay tuned for more videos of that soon, guys. I've been taking a few days off. Played Evil Dead. Got Mike Trout. Angels are doing pretty good right now. Colin Moran. Usually autograph and jerseys are pretty hard to pull other stuff. I've done it. In 2014. That's the only other time I've done it. We got a pause for the Detroit Tigers. They are in 5th place, but I'm watching recently because of Miguel Cabrera and, of course, Javi Baez. Rockies, Chris Bryant, which Chris Bryant is injured. One of my favorite players, Max Muncy. You like watching this guy? And the team they were taking on today, but he's no longer on there, Andrew McCutchen. Big Catch. McCutchen. Remember when he was a big player, too. Still kind of is, but not like in his prime. Another player I like, Mitch Haniger. Zach Thompson. Randy Arozarena. Got a Hall of Famer, Hank Aaron. Bomb Squad. It has a nice card. It kind of has a little Dean on the back. A little, like a white corner, but it's okay. Got a Paul Goldschmidt. Got a Joey Bart. This is definitely going to be a fun break, guys. Probably going to be a little longer than usual. If you guys like collecting base cards, or hold on for a second. We got Albert Pujols on the Dodgers. I do not have a Dodgers card of him yet. That's nice. Josh Chisholm Jr. I have a 90 overall from Damm Dynasty. Rip open excitement. Home run challenge. Advertisement card right there. I've got triple play. Kind of remind me of these older, like 80, 81 basketball cards. Get triple play these guys. I like those cards right there. Miguel. And we got talk about Hosmer again. Hosmer pack for sure. Shop Dog. Eli Morgan. I do apologize for my dogs. He never shut up. Myself a Gene Segura. Still on the Rockies with this set. Trevor Bedtime Story. Now a Cubby, Marcus Stroman. We got opening day, Kansas City Royals. There are 2 different kinds of parallels in this set. Surprised we haven't pulled one yet. Molina. Rafael Devers. And Charlie Blackmon. But yeah, guys, this set is, if you like collecting like base card sets and like have some nice inserts, don't care if you get a lot of hits at all from products, this is a product for you. Or if you're trying to start off in the hobby, like something to start off with, it's a good starter set. If you want to complete your first set, hand collect your first set, that's probably one of the best ones. Or Series 1 Tops. Got Jeremy Long, Kyle Seager. And it's going to my PC, Chris Bryant. Can't wait to have his Rockies card. Here we go. We got a Mitch Henniger, blue foil. Opening day. These used to be numbered. They're no longer anymore. Back in like 2013-14. So you got a blue foil. Yeah, it's blue. Don't want to make sure I didn't get confused. And you got another insert, Rangers captain. Get a better look for that card for you guys. Here we go. Rhys Hoskins, Cody Bellinger. Those two were playing against each other today. Yeah, I'll probably get a storage box for these next month. First card there. Mike Moustakas. Reds are like 9-26 right now. Juan Soto. Nationals are pretty bad this year. Nice card of Soto right there. Mike Trout, Bomb Squad. That is a nice card. Came back from injury. He's doing decent this year. Jack Flaherty. Jonathan India. And we get Alec Boehm. If I remember, I think he said something bad against his team once in the city of Philadelphia, if I don't remember correctly. Could be wrong, but I thought I heard something from a YouTube channel once. Earlier this year, you got Josh Donaldson. Jesse Winker. Jesus Lozano. Boston Red Sox mascot. Sorry about that. Corey Kluber. Luis Robert. And Adam Wainwright. I'm pretty sure this guy's going to retire here soon. If I remember, I think this was his last year. Not too sure. He's definitely been a really good pitcher. Got Ronnie Dawson. Andrew Vaughn. Richard Stars. Willie Castro. Get the Kansas City Royals mascot there. Carlos Santana. DJ LeMayu, good player. And Chris Bryant's former teammate, Evan Longoria. But she was known as Tampa Bay Ray, which is the team I'm playing for in MLB The Show 22. I got like a couple more packs left. Yeah, it's more than a couple. Yeah, this is probably the cheapest way. If you want to complete a set, You can probably do this pretty easily with these cards, unless you want to go for one-to-ones. That's going to be hard, but I'm probably going to do it again this year. Maybe go for a master set, I don't know. Maybe. Doing something. Carlos on down. Sorry about that, just hit my camera with my foot. Opening day Phillies. Gonzalez. Alex Verdugo. And Casey Mize. So I got a bunch of packs to open. Trevor Rogers. JT, he was on the mic for ESPN last week. Manny Machado, Bomb Squad. These are definitely some nice cards here. One of my favorites, Brandon Belt. Steven Strasburg on the Nats. Aaron Ashby. Lucas Giolito. But yeah, with one blaster box, you could probably have half the complete set already. Pretty much. Acuna Jr., Guerrero Jr., Tatis Jr., 3 juniors. That's a really nice card right there. There's the back of these. You can pull them apart if you want, make a mini card. But I'll just keep it all in one, guys. Don't do that. Don't bend them either. These could probably be easy to bend by the creases. Zach Pop. Riley Adams. And then Mason Thompson. So if I open like another blaster box, or don't remember if there's mega boxes there anymore or not. But if you open one of those, or Howie box, if you open another blaster, you probably get the cards you're looking for to complete your base set. But most likely you're probably gonna get dupes again, duplicates. Trey Mancini up next. Kyle Lewis. Definitely a really good player right now for the Mariners. We got a Oakland Athletics opening day. I bet they'll get rid of the Coliseum here soon. Go to a new stadium. Wilson Contreras. Nice curve for the Cubbies there. Calhoun and Moncada. Nelson Cruz. Miguel Cabrera. Another one of these advertisement cards. Bomb Squad. We got Mike Trout. Now we have Ohtani. Nice card right there. Ohtani. Josh Bell. Craig Kimbrell. Former Cub. Now he's on the White Sox. I believe now he's on the... I think he went to the Dodgers, right? If I remember. Jackson Reeds. Whit Merrifield. Brian Anderson. Oh, that's a good card. We got another blue foil. Opening day parallel of the Dodgers. Which the logo kind of looks the exact same color, actually. It's kind of hard to see a little bit. That's a nice card right there. Dodgers fan would like that for their PC. I do like the Dodgers too, but kind of pissed they swept the Cubs last week. Rose Red, Miss Red mascot, pretty much. Michael Brantley and Jose Altuve, the Astros. Okay. For my packs, I'm going to get some food, man. I'm hungry. Definitely been a fun break here. Injin Ryu. Remember his early days was the Dodgers. You'll be a fan of him, actually. JD Martinez. I'm a little younger. I think I made like in 2013-14, I think I made like a handmade drawing of him. Brandon Marsh. You watch the South Park episode and say, Brandon Darsh. Stan Darsh, Brandon Darsh, yeah. South Park reference right there. There's two of them right here. Nick Castellanos, which he's a Philly now, and we got a Dansby Swanson. Darsh. Got like 4 more packs left. Yeah, this one kind of had a little rip right here. Something. Okay, cards are good. Corey Seager's still on his Dodgers. Christian. Yeah, Bryce Harper. So, fan of Bryce Harper, one of my favorite players of all time. Oh, shit. We got Average, Alex Rodriguez, Bomb Squad. Yeah, he's definitely. You should make a special insert set called the Roid Squad. Yeah, he should be the number 1 card of that insert set. I really hate Alex Rodriguez, guys. I really do. They're wearing red uniforms. Andrew Benintendi. Giancarlo Stanton. And Kevin Gossman. Yeah, I really hate Alex Rodriguez, guys. If you're a fan of him, I do apologize for saying that, but if you're a fan, but still, I hate the guy, man. Was never a fan of A-Rod, and I liked the Yankees when I was younger, because Derek Jeter. DJ Gregorius. You got John Gray. Another triple action Dodgers. I got a Bellinger, Betts, and Kershaw. Probably my favorite card right here, actually. And I like the juniors on though. Yeah, Lindor on the Mets. He had a nice home run earlier. Trevor. And then Max Kapnick. Or Krognick. 2 more packs, guys. Long video, but it's been fun. Got Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Another good card after that. Anthony Rizzo, he's been a really good player this year. I still love Rizzo. He's one of my favorite players of all time. Padres mascot. Figured I'll get that card. That's a nice mascot right there. Kyle beat him not long ago. Future Stars. Again, Bobby Dalbec. A Matt Chapman. One last pack, guys. Jay Burgers. Gavin Sheets, Jacob DeGrom, Mookie Betts, Bomb Squad. Nice card right there of him. I like those Bomb Squad. Ozzy Albies. You got Reyes. You got a Walker Buehler. And the box. 154 cards total, guys. It's been a fun break to open. It says right there. So yeah, probably half, maybe a third quarter of the set is completed. Get my favorite card out of the way. Gonna have to get another Chris Bryant if I want to complete the set, because now let's go on my PC box of his. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Love you all. Peace.